Alright guys, in this video we're gonna do some SciFi Asset. Start with the cylinder. Something like this. 2 to select edge. Right click to confirm, 2 to select edge. Chamfer it. 3 to select face. Extrude it. So something like this. Right click to confirm, 2 to select edge. Chamfer it. Right click to confirm. Top view. Shift B. Hold control. Get it off the grid. Do something like this. Right click confirm. Can mirror it. Merge halves together. Now press 2 to select edge. Drag it over. Control Alt click. Chamfer it. Something like this. Drag it over again. Control Alt click. And bevel it a bit. Something like this. Now drag over, hold Alt, select the edge, chamfer it. Something like this. Now hold Alt, select the edge, Alt Shift, select the other one, bevel it a bit to something like this. Right click to confirm. G on a Z to something like this. Right click to confirm. 7 to top view. G on a Y to something like this. Now. Radial array. Let's do 8 of these. Right click to confirm. 4 to select object, select these. Press Q to boolean. Hold shift, select all of these objects. Right click to confirm. 2 to select edge. Hold Alt, select the edge. Chamfer it. Something like this. Yep. Now hold control. Press. And it's gonna clone it to other holes. Hold control. Press. Press control. 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 Control these. And only now, right click to confirm. Brilliant. Now, hold Alt, select these. Alt Shift, select these. Now bevel it. Something like this. Control, press, control, press. Control, press, control, press. Control, press, control, press. I think it's the last one. No, one more. Control, press, control, press. Come on. Press. Yep. Control, press. Control, press. One more. God damn it. Control. Control. And only now, right click to confirm. Yep, it's done. Now grab edges, 2 to select edge. Alt Shift, select them all. And maybe, yeah, we bevel this first. Do something like this. We're gonna grab a face, extrude it downwards a bit. Do something like this. Right click to confirm. Grab a edge, chamfer it. Do something like this. Yep, 2 to select edge. Alt Shift, select them both. And bevel, maybe click on this bevel to have it same, to have it similar. Yep, done. Now 3 to select face, offset. Right click to confirm. Now extrude it. Something like this. Select face. Tiny gap. Select face again. Right click to confirm. Select face again. Extrude it upwards a bit. Right click to confirm. Select face offset. Right click to confirm. Select face. Get it downwards to something like this. 2 to select edge. Grab the edge and bevel it a lot. Now select these sharp edges and bevel them tiny bit to something like this. Now select 3, select face, Shift D to clone it, to duplicate it, Shift H to hide all the rest objects, Control R, hold Shift, scroll your mouse to something like these. Now 4 to select object, select all of these, Alt J, and we separate it all. Now select these, hold Alt, select object, extend sheet, make it something like this. Let's do it minus 0.02, something like this. Now taking a sheet, so something like this. Right click to confirm, top view, select all the other ones, X to delete, X to delete, select these. Now 2 to select edge, Control Alt click, chamfer it, pretty big one, Control Alt, and something like this. Yep. Hold Alt, select all this edge, chamfer it, something like this. Hold Alt, select this, Alt Shift, select the other one, and bevel it. Come on, man. Get some work done. Bastarda. Hey, what's up, man? Press B. Yeah, something like this. Come on, man. Right click to confirm. Why it's not? Oh, it's there. It's there. Shift H. Alright, we're gonna do it like this. Now, top view, radial array, darling. Okay. Alright, then multiply it this way. Yeah, something like this. Thanks a lot. Easy now. See you later, guys.